clean yellow.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like some mustard. And he has right wing. It looks sexy. It's like a midnight club car.
Little G over here. Is that a Supra?
There's a GT,
Yeah. I think that's like a radiator overflow.
It's like enough of the good crackers.
Damn.
Wheels, tires. I rolled up with these guys just as a group.
Shit is clean. Damn. Look at that turbo.
Probably sounds sexy as shit too.
For real.
It'd been cool if it's caliper or some shit.
Yeah, the lights make it look. I don't know. I don't know too much about Mercedes.
I just know they're fucking.
Yeah, that's just clean.
Oh yeah. It's like it's horrible
That's a clean G.
Why do I look like EJ Cliff?
Oh shit, there's another G right there. Really? Got that cam. What? Oh, Miata? Yeah.
Teacup one is really cool too.
It'd be a nice little like drift car.
I think it'd just be a nice daily.
Yeah.
Homie wants to get it, like, oh shit.
Oh, what? Oh. Like the orange, bro.
That looks one of my favorite colors.
Shit. Yeah. And this Sylvia, that gives me like Fast and Furious vibes.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's my favorite type of. It's my favorite car.
For real.
So good.
Oh. That's wild.
It's like you had a little anger. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is my home. This is the home ground.
That was a GT too. Nice.
Sure. A Hellcat before this too. So.
Oh, she did.
Yeah.
Yeah, she got some thick tires on there.
It could be like the.
Yeah. color is hard. And then right here, the carbon. This little BMW. Yeah. Never underestimate something like this.
Oh,
like,
shit.
yeah, when it got piping sticking out the hood, you know it's fast. It's like the Batmobile, bro. Yeah. Yeah, the homie Marcus. Yeah, he's in the Mopars. Yeah. That's advertisement. All that carbon. Yeah. The fenders too. Yeah, the whole front.
Back tires look completely.
The whole front end. Oh, he's got some welds on there.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's like, what
Yeah, that.
back tires look a little dangerous.
He's got, yeah. He's got some meat. Side skirt and everything. It's a Coyote shit. Don't want to race him. This thing kind of looks blue carbon. That's fucking nuts. This looks like fucking. Is this a SEMA car? Nice, nice. Yeah. Got all the audio and everything. These are so clean. Missed that one too. Sounded like a bomb went off.
What a great way to pull up.
Bro.
Check the badges. I gotta see which ones they got.
you gotta make sure these badges are real. They're not up badging or anything.
So we'll be badging and putting fake badges too.
Is this an RT?
Distant far away spot so no one can fuck with them shit.
Yeah.
It's low as fuck too.
Bro, what the hell? Shit's like wild.
It's like a good ride at night.
take. Only Mopars. Oh, nice.
Oh, it's carbon fiber?
All the red carbon.
I deleted the chrome on there, so I wrapped it right there too. Little subtle hints, and then I colored in the Dodge with black and red.
Yeah.
So, and then the bezel around there was gray, painted all that black. So,
Yeah. Carbon.
Carbon fiber?
That doesn't even look real. Like that's like fucking crazy.
And the matte color and stuff too. Matte purple.
That's cool. I like that whip. It is,
I always
huh?
wanted to drive it. I have it in Forza, but
Full. It's like a full like hybrid, like electric. I've seen this one at the other meet. Yeah. Like murdered out Supra. cops at? They're way over there. They probably just want us to leave. For real. Oh, they're coming. Oh my god. Yeah. Look at this fool right here.
I know the niggas that had all them big ass trailers outside. Had to put all that shit away.
We should be good though, I think. I think they're just trying to get us out of here.
They're just trying to scare people. The only people that are really scared are niggas that have no license, no legal gas station. Acting like they're getting some. Oh, I was just getting some gas.
Gas right now.
We're gonna come, but yeah, we're just getting some gas.
Oh, he's too far ahead. That's clean. Oh shit. It's just got some big ass rims though.
Yeah. No one else wants to come?